Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the website using AI. So first I am going to go to the AI tool which is a Lovable, Lovable AI. Click on it. So you have to go to here. I'm going to log in via my Gmail account. This is our dashboard. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this is the prompt. Okay, so make a website using lovable chat. So here this is simple prompt here. Make a website look more professional, use modern colors, add more spaces, use rounded buttons, improve the fonts, make it mobile responsive. These are the things you must implement. Okay, so first step I'm going to copy this prompt. This is a very must. Okay, so this is your chat. Okay, so I'm going to go to create a project. So this is a lovable chat. I'm going to here, this is a website font. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. AI make a website professional, make a, this is a prompt, simple prompt. You can see here there's a chat here, this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to lovable, click on it. Okay, so you can see here now the your website is lovable AI is starting to build. So you have wait until the things completed. Here it start. Okay, so after that you have to, if you don't have a logo, you have to create the logo. Okay, if you don't have a logo, ask the AI to create the logo placeholder. Okay, add the simple modern logo for my business on the left. This you can add it. Okay, create a simple text to your logo in my business. Okay, so after that add the business images, custom pictures. Okay, oh, these are the things you must add it. Okay, so these are the things, this is all we have to add it as a prompt. I'll give you this all the prompt to you. Okay, don't worry about that. Now let's check how the website looks like. It's creating. Now here you can see the it's still my website is creating. Okay, so you can see here this is a website almost done. Here is a website, it's almost done. You can see here. Okay, so this is it simply it's coming look like this is a website. Okay, so now you will be able to see, you can ask anything else, reuse the work, so you can add something else here. If you don't have a logo, you can add here, add the business logo. If you don't have a logo, ask the AI to create a logo enterprise. Okay, add the simple modern logo for my business on the left side. So here you can say left side, you can tell them clearly, add the simple modern logo for my business at the top left. Add the simple modern logo for my business at the top left side. You can see the name. You can see next type something. Click it. Okay, so this is how we can work it. There are many people are there, they don't know how to get the how to use the AI tools properly. So you have to ask the AI to create the simple web template. After template has been created, you have to tell them what are the modification you need. So you have to tell them the simple prompt. That prompt will be changed. What is the prompt you are given? According to the prompt, your design will be changed. So you have to uh, uh, observe those are the things. That is a very must. Okay, here generating the images, generating everything. It will be simple. Here the logo has been created. Here the logo has been created. This is simple logo. It has been created. Have check label still available here. Top left corner here. It's wait. It's still it's updating. Your logo is available here. Uploading here. CDN here. Okay. So this out here 2 seconds. It will be uploaded within 2 seconds to here. It is be changed. Your logo has been changed. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the another prompt. Meanwhile, we have to go to the another work. Add the business images custom first notice the images. Replace all the images with high and quality professional images related to your business. Okay. So these are the prompt for you have to create the images. Okay. So example, uh, here restaurant or salon or repair. Some any other what are the category you have? I have created the category which is a restaurant. So you have to copy this. uh, let's check. Okay, so this yellow enable. Okay, so this is still working. Your logo is, so you have to, okay, here the logo has been changed. Next step. Okay, simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one. uh, Replace all the images high quality professional images related to my business. You can tell them the name as a which name, restaurant. You can tell them restaurant. This is my business is related within double quotation mark. You can tell them which is a restaurant. You can click on it. Now let's check the output how will be. Okay, so now you notice that how is it easy. Okay, you no need to do anything else. Everything AI will be creating for you. Okay, the images and logos, content and everything. You no need to create everything. AI will be great. You can save your time, you can save your energy, everything. Okay, you don't need to think. Everything AI will created for you. But only the thing you have to do, you tell them the correct prompt. The prompt will be created everything to you. Here you can see here. Every images are created by AI, not me. Okay. So these are the this is a restaurant here. These are high quality images. They are created by AI. Okay, so meanwhile we have to go to third, fourth step at the about section. This is very must of our website. This section is every website should have. So at the about the section, explain your explaining my business in simple English. Okay, so write the friendly about us section. Okay, so you have to click on copy this. Okay, you can add it your preferred languages as well. Okay, so here you can see the how is it here. Here this is your restaurant web page. Here simply add your modern restaurant images as well. Simple. So after that you can here this we can't if you have a upgrade one, you can use it many benefit. You can get many benefit here. You can get at the about section, so you can click on it in English. So you can see I already mentioned is a restaurant website. It's reviewing your contentscape audience. So at the about section, explaining my business in English. So it is it is explaining some quick uh, about us page. It's creating the about us page. You can see here. You can see the kitchen, bar, and the room. Everything are there for the restaurant. What are the important things we have to include the restaurants? Everything is included in this website. All the contact information is there. Phone number, email address, and everything. And the contact section with the phone number, email address, and opening hours. Just click on it. This you can select all. This also you can edit. Allow this one. So now you can see this is about pages there. Here you have about pages there. This is about page here. It is added the about page as well. Here it's about pages. Next time this here I already tell them this is a restaurant. Restaurant. Upon the restaurant, based on the restaurant, it is describe the about us content. Okay. After that, I'm going to place it this one at the context section with phone number, email address, business address, opening hours. Click on it. Okay. So here now at the moment I have to go to the premium plan. So this section is I have to do up to this. Okay. So if you want to make a website fully customized and mobile friendly website, you can purchase this Lovable. Is very friendly. You will be able to uh, make the website in within 50 minutes, 50 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, you just implement the prompt only. Based on the prompt, it will be active. So if you want to change the color, you can tell them this is the color I need. If you can, you just tell them if you want to increase the logo size, it is right away it is increasing. Okay, this everything, this colors, what is a primary color, secondary color, everything you can tell them on this chat box. The chat box will be help us to make our website more professionally. That is the things we have to do. Okay, so I hope you can understand the things how to make the website using AI. Here this is a preview. Right now this is a preview. You can see the preview. Okay, so if you are published, the URL with this URL, the URL. So this URL, if you have a domain, you will be able to edit this one. Okay, if you have purchased the domain hosting, you will be able to add the custom domain over here, and you will be able to publish the website. Okay, so right a moment here, this is the website URL. So click on it. Sorry, we have to the publish also. I think we have to. This is a premium here, pro. That's why we can't continue. That's a publish. We can continue this one. Okay, okay, this will be, it's working. Continue. Continue. This is URL here. This is URL. Done. Publish. Now we can see at the moment what we did. So it is publishing at white. Okay, so the basic security, it is implement the basic security as well. That is our important stuff. Okay, so these are the things that it is implement. It's a publishing step. Okay, you can see here simply it is publishing. It's publishing. Here view your app. Here it's very nice. Okay, so this is the web page we have created here about us. Okay, so menu, the rooms, reservations, everything's are there. Okay, so the simple modern website uh, we have made via AI. So this is a very best things. Okay, we will be able to edit. If you want to edit, you can go to the edit mode and you will be able to edit. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you.